How to check pending friend request on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now what you have to do is click on the option More. Once you're in this More page, head over to the option Friends. Now here you're gonna find your friend list. And at the top right, you're gonna find this search icon. Click on that. Now go ahead and type in the display name or the username of the person to whom you have sent the friend request. With that, the person's name will appear. Now you're gonna find this kind of icon, clock kind of icon instead of add friend icon if you have sent the friend request to this person and your friend request is pending. Clicking on this icon, you can remove the friend request for this person. By following the same steps, searching for the display name or the username, you can check the pending friend request on Roblox. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.